Start by attaching the rechargeable battery adapter. Insert the hook on the control unit into the matching groove on the rechargeable battery adapter and push towards the ear hook until the release lever snaps into place. Take the battery and hold it at a slight angle with the beige pointer on the ear hook side of the adapter. Push it towards the cable until the battery snaps into place and slide the cover over the battery pack. There are two types of rechargeable battery, the standard and the micro. Make sure the correct cover slides back over the battery pack. If the audio processor belongs to a child, and lock it into place. If the battery runs out, gently remove the cover and the battery by pushing it first towards the ear hook, then pull it out until the battery is detached. To insert the battery into the charger, align the pointer at an angle on the transparent side of the charging slot. Then tip the battery towards the white side of the charging slot until it snaps into place. The blue indicator light shows that the battery is charging. When the indicator light turns off, the battery is fully charged. This takes up to 4 hours. When the battery is charged, assemble the processor again and you are ready to go.